Welcome to FerroECOBlast, where ideas come from drawing board to the reality. And it's the same with the machine that I'll be presenting today. Behind me you can see the machine, which is very flexible for cleaning the internal cast sand from the casted parts. It was designed for a customer who has a big variety of different products, and they wanted to have a repeatable process and controlled cleaning of cast sand from their castings. What we have engineered for the customer has never been done before. 100% automatic decoring machine with a robotized part handling. It is designed to clean different parts that customers have, and what makes it so special is that it can be easily programmed for other different types of casts that customer will produce in future. Different types of nozzles are used for different channels and is programmed for each part. This state-of-the-art machine comes with a 2D vision camera to detect workpieces and does not require special nests for part positioning. Robot with special designed gripper grabs the part and moves it exactly to the needed nozzle for cleaning process. Machine is designed with a closed-loop media flow system, which you can very precisely set to have right amount of media going out from the nozzle. After workpiece is cleaned, it is put on the unloading conveyor to transport it in the batch boxes. Knowledge and long-term experience in surface treatment technologies has struck again from us. All of these jobs are usually done manually with a lot of workers. But now with implementing automatization in process, customer satisfaction is higher than ever. With the respect of workers, the automatic machine is now doing the dirty job. The results are controllable and repeatable, which gives the quality in the product and reduces the reclamation. Just to recap the key benefits of this machine: automatization, robotization, flexibility, and cost cutting. We are very proud about the Robotic machine and that we are the first supplier who has ever supplied such flexible machine for foundries. And behind me you can see the proof of it. Thank you for watching this video. You can follow us on social network, websites, where you can see other innovative solutions in surface treatment machinery. FerroECOBlast, we do more.